What is good? We're back.
Let's do it. Day 3 back up.
Day 3 going over liquidity, SMTs. Oh, what are you feeling like? Okay, we going over liquidity.
Wait.
Any ideas what it is?
Yeah, what you said it was like how the market holds or something. Maybe where it's like, I don't know. You kind of went over it the other day.
Basically, just where the market wants to go.
Right.
All liquidity is where there's orders resting.
Yeah. All right.
So it's gonna be people's stop loss buys, and then fair value gaps is another thing in liquidity. Just a whole bunch of orders in it.
Okay.
So we're gonna make it simple, easy. Bang. What trend is this?
Bullish.
Alright. And we made a high here, right?
Yeah.
Liquidity.
Liquidity.
That's simple. So there's orders resting here.
Mm-hmm.
So market's gonna do whatever it wants. Fill fair value gaps, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And now this is gonna be a strong target.
Yeah.
If everything else lines up, if we want to continue to go up. So like bang, we'd want to target it. Liquidity sweep. Bang.
Right.
Simple.
Right.
So now this is no longer resting liquidity anymore.
It's that.
So that would be gone.
Point.
Exactly.
That would be the new highest liquidity.
So that's
what would you call that?
Yeah, a new liquidity point.
So if it's going down, are you showing? No.
It's shown right here. So now
You're making the same
we
example.
went down.
Yeah.
But look, all this is now liquidity.
All that too, yeah.
All right. Like
all these, any fair value gaps in between is liquidity where the market may want to go.
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah, that actually was
simple. Same for a downtrend though.
I want to see it on a downtrend.
Yeah, do the down.
Bang.
Yeah. That's liquidity right there.
Liquidity would be here.
Mm-hmm.
But look, liquidity would also be all this.
Right there.
Technically.
For the upside.
This would be buy side liquidity.
Buy side liquidity. If you're trying to do the bearish.
It doesn't matter.
It don't matter.
It's gonna be buy side since these are the orders.
Yeah.
So look, we may wanna take these orders out to give us the fuel to now come lower.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
That's like the tapping into the F.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
so think of liquidity, same as fair value gaps. Just getting fuel to move a direction in the market.
It's,
it's
tapping in.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So now, if we look here, it's pretty easy to spot liquidity now. So, like any swing high, like that right there, is liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
These liquidity.
Yeah, I see that.
Then even the fair value gap here, liquidity.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So market.
So yeah. So now we're saying if it goes up and it touches past that, we want to think that it's gonna keep going up or gonna go back down. It's gonna go
after taking orders. We'll probably want to go down.
What if it goes all what if it shoots to the bad liquidity instead of that one?
It was like a F, like a fair value.
Exactly. So if we take all this,
you think it's gonna go back up maybe or not?
I mean,
not necessarily
you
like
could,
that.
but you gotta put everything together. You gotta see on this high here. Do we get a break of structure or no?
Mm-hmm.
Do we get rejection out of this fair value gap now or no? Because we could run through it, get a break of structure as well, and be like, okay, it looks like we may want to target the next point of liquidity, which would be here, like these.
Yeah.
But if we don't want to, again, we'll see rejection coming out to now target all this liquidity we formed on the way up.
Yeah.
And these lows down here. So basically, liquidity is just orders you gotta fill to move.
All right.
It's really that simple.
Yeah, I get that. I get all that.
I'll take that in my notes.
And the more you see, but the more you see, you'll realize like if there's a if there is like highs like this inside of
Yeah.
a fair value gap as
Yeah.
well,
Mm.
that's gonna be a really strong point because you got the fair value gap orders
Yeah.
and then the orders at this high as well.
Gotcha.
It's like,
Are you online, pal?
Okay.
I'm seeing all that. Yeah, right there. I was about to tell you, gang.
So,
Take
yeah.
that shit down, gang. Take that shit down. This shit, all that shit tapped in, bro. Go down, bro.
so we got all this. You see, we're tapping into a fair value gap and respecting it.
Yeah,
Right, it
exactly.
went
That's
down
what I'm saying.
technically.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
So
It wanted to show rejection, but it never closed.
no, it did show
She
rejection.
did show it.
Or inverse, my bad.
Yeah.
My bad. Oh, see,
So now,
vocabulary beginning to me.
That's what I'm saying.
so now,
No,
like
mama.
these points here, like these highs we
Yeah.
formed,
Mhm.
like inside the gap and
Mhm.
around, that's gonna be a strong place we may want to go to.
Mhm. Yeah.
Then it would reach back up there.
Yeah.
So maybe we could see a little upper.
Yeah. So like you see,
That's momentum. That's like
exactly before all these candles, this was one point on liquidity we had,
Mhm. Mhm.
as well as this high here.
Yeah.
And look at that.
Oh,
We
I see,
sweep
that's
this
true.
one out.
Mhm.
We get an inversion.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then
True. Yeah.
We go lower.
That is
True, bro.
Now
True.
I see I made my own buys. Then you see the inversion.
You would have
Yeah,
took
we
that
got
down,
the
huh?
Inversion. We got
box
the
right
break
there.
of structure
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
We got everything right there.
I see all that shit. Yeah. I see
Man,
all
right
that.
there, see, and it's helping because it's live right now.
Yeah.
Then we
Exactly.
formed
For real.
That's
another
why
For
I
fair
like to
real.
see
value
it.
gap.
I'd like
on
to
the
see that
way
shit live,
down.
right?
And look,
Let me see.
rejection out of that.
True.
Yeah,
True.
tapping in.
Exactly.
Oh, that's called rejection. Yeah.
So I mean, since we're in a downtrend,
We all
and we're
Facts.
respecting bullish
I ain't
or
gonna
bearish
lie.
gaps,
Mhm.
where do you think we'd want to go?
Down, bro.
Where's the next point on liquidity we have here?
Right here, no?
Exactly,
Yeah.
here. So you could be like, yeah, market may want to come down, sweep this out before we end up going higher.
Mhm.
So liquidity is dead ass just where the market wants to go.
Sure. Damn, I'm already seeing that motherfucker go down again. Overall, it's been going down like right there. Yeah, for real. I can see it going past that point for real. Oh, and
This
I'm
is
dead
where
ass
we were
seeing
at
it
10
again.
minutes ago.
So like, what's it called?
It was gonna be a roller coaster. We wouldn't have known what to do.
Yeah.
It's just chopping around here. But what you gotta notice, there's low resistance liquidity
Yeah.
and then high resistance liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
So high resistance liquidity is gonna be on like 5
what I
minute,
thought.
15, 1 hour, 4 hour.
That's
Damn,
what I thought.
So
If it
like
meant,
these
chill out, cool.
type of points. Like
Yeah.
Ozzy, the one you marked out,
Mm-hmm.
that's a 4 hour low. So that should be a strong pull.
For real, yeah. I know what you mean.
And then
Damn,
a good way
4
to see
hours.
it is when it aligns with other time frames too. Like look, 4 hour, 1
Mhm.
hour,
Mhm.
15 minute,
Mhm.
5 minute. It all is just
Damn,
one fat
yeah,
wicket.
yeah. Take that shit right now, gang.
I'm in right now.
You sound in right now.
On your actual account?
Yeah.
For
Damn, gang.
Hold up. Focus.
see, you snap.
How my teacher teaching me and making money, gang? None
Y'all
of my
can't
teachers
see,
ever did that.
I'm up 900 though. So where the
No,
fuck were
That's what I want, bro. That's what I want.
But yeah, liquidity is gonna be any swing lows
see
like
that.
this.
Mhm.
Oh, we're going over swing high or low
Liquidity.
resistance.
Oh, low resistance?
Alright, so low resistance, high resistance. High resistance is higher time frames. Gonna be more obvious wicks, alright?
Yeah.
So like a wick like that,
Mm-hmm.
you see how it's clear dead ass just
Bruh.
the wick,
Yeah,
barely
yeah.
a body to it.
Yeah.
So like that's gonna be a strong draw. Or wicks like these also inside of a fair value gap. That's
Yeah.
gonna be pretty strong to target.
Mm-hmm.
Then the opposite, so low resistance liquidity is gonna be more like our little moves. So
Just
like,
a little.
like this, our little retracement move. This is gonna be more low resistance here. So that should be pretty easy just to sweep out and continue going lower.
Gotcha.
Like this one, let's see. This should be a decent high because let's go up on a time frame. Look, on the 15-minute, a straight wick like that, also inside of a 15-minute. Fair value gap.
Fair value, yeah, that's what I was saying.
But yeah, so the difference between high and low resistance is literally the time frame of what it looks like.
Gotcha. All right,
but going with that, I mean that's pretty simple. We'll start going over what's he called now. What's it? Look, SMTs, SMTs.
Yeah.
It's gonna be between correlating assets. All we're trading is the Nasdaq and S&P 500, right?
Yeah.
So
right.
NQ and ES.
Yeah.
Let's do it like this. NQ.
What is ES or whatever? What is that?
The S&P 500. This is the chart I have on this side.
Yeah.
So they're correlating assets, so the way they move should be damn near the same. Like, if we look right now, it's pretty much moving the same way, right?
Yeah.
Looks the same. We get most the same retrace moves.
Yeah.
Yeah, so correlating and say this is NQ, and then this is ES here. Right?
Okay.
Where would be our liquidity resting? Yeah. Where's the liquidity resting?
For the top? I mean, you got 1, 2, 3. That's your top one.
These wouldn't be.
It would be so it would be just the top one.
Exactly. So the top one would be liquidity. Once liquidity gets swept out. So like here, it was until we got this move up.
That's liquidity.
This was liquidity until we got
liquidity sweep. Yeah. That makes
would
sense.
this be high resistance or low resistance liquidity?
Is it low?
Yeah, low resistance because it's not like a
crazy
high.
jump.
Yeah.
What you mean?
So like usually a peak of a trend, that's gonna be high resistance.
All right.
You see how this is our peak we got before we started going lower?
Yeah.
So let's mark it on both. Now say we start moving up again and bang, we go like that and we take this high. What would that be called?
Liquidity sweep?
Exactly. Yeah.
Still, yeah, technically.
So we swept liquidity because we took the previous high.
Right, that makes sense.
And then say ES, it comes up too, but look, we just edge it and then move.
Edge it. Okay.
You see, so we never swept liquidity here. But we swept it here.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So that would be a SMT. You see how one ended up sweeping liquidity, but the other didn't.
Right.
So that's when we would have a SMT. And all you do to draw it out is literally the point of liquidity to the candle that took it.
So candle, not the wick?
Candle, wick, whatever.
Yeah. At least if that one, it didn't take it, though.
Exactly. So it would be from this one to the wick that...
That's SMT?
Yeah. The wick that took it on one of them, it would be the same wick that didn't.
Okay.
That's how you would mark it.
Yeah. Okay.
It'll be easier seeing it on the actual
on live.
I bet. SMT.
Yes.
We see we got this high and this high.
Yeah.
So we'll mark it out on both. You see it's the exact same high.
For real.
Hovering there, you see it there and see it there.
Yeah.
It's the same candle. But look right here.
That one it swept it on exactly what you were just talking about.
Exactly. So what we're looking at, which one did we sweep it on?
So
which candle swept it?
Low key, it shows like if it was a bearish one, no? Well, it has to be a bullish one, but
what you mean?
No, never mind. What do you mean? What candle?
What candle swept out our liquidity?
The one on the far right.
Exactly. Yeah. So that swept it. Did we sweep it on this candle? Let's see.
You edged it.
Exactly.
Yeah, you edged it. Yeah.
Look, that never took it. So
What does
what
that mean?
candle to what candle would the SMT be at?
From this one, it would be from here to up the top.
Yeah,
of
that's
the
how.
candle,
That's where it
like
swept
the
it
way.
from. Yeah.
And from here would be from the high, from like the first high to the bottom, well, to the top of
To
the.
the same candle. Yeah.
That's under the line technically.
True.
Yeah, we do. So we have an SMT,
Okay, so
and
now
look at the reaction we
how
got.
does that help you? What does that show now?
Because this is showing that when one index sweeps a high or low, there's no reason for the other one to do the same
You
thing.
see how it didn't do it again on the other side, and it just boom, it did the opposite. It started making a bearish trend. That's because it was already swept already, so of course it's gonna take the opposite
So
trend.
technically,
Because there's no need to go up
think
over
of
it
it
already.
like if we swept it on one, we swept it on both, pretty
Okay,
much.
okay, basically.
So think of it like that.
Okay.
Then
Because that's around the same time too, right? I'm guessing.
the exact same candle, yeah.
Oh, okay. So that makes sense.
Wait, why does it look like that one's going like that? Went down, right?
Because it hasn't swept. It didn't swept it. It didn't reach
I mean,
liquidity
the-
high.
Oh, these are two. Oh, my bad.
Yeah,
I forgot.
two
I forgot.
different ones.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
forgot,
That's the whole lesson, bro.
Yeah. Oh, damn, bro.
So-
Just got to keep it in check.
Here,
bro.
what an SMT is going to show you is we took it out already. So that liquidity is gone now.
Yeah.
So this is no longer a point of liquidity. And this would be considered a protected high.
Alright.
So a high we won't want to come back
Back
to
to.
until we get our move. So we swept out all this liquidity.
You swept out that liquidity too, right there. Yeah.
Exactly. And that's why we started going up.
She making so much sense, man. Come on, help.
But the way we use SMTs is, say we are
Yeah, what do
going
you
to
use it
enter a trade,
And you're saying it might.
we would want to put our stop loss above it. Because
Stop out, yeah.
this is a protected high, so we could infer that we don't want to go back to that point.
I get you, bro. I'm already know.
But then you see later on, we came and swept it after we made our bearish move.
So
After
let's
a
say,
long
right,
time.
it swept it, right? Like how you're showing me right here.
Yeah.
What if it keeps sweeping it out? Like, what if it keeps sweeping that liquidity out?
It won't, because this liquidity is gone now.
Okay.
So this is our new point of liquidity.
You're saying it'll never go up the next liquidity sweep then? It'll always go down, you're saying?
Well,
No,
your
not
next
always.
one.
Because
Okay.
you got to think of it like this. We have this high here, right?
Yeah.
Which we swept. But if we look more, what do we have? We also have more liquidity.
That's
above.
what I'm trying to figure out. I'm like, all right, what am I supposed
That's
to do
when
after
we
I see
put
this?
everything together.
True.
We got to see if there's a fair value gap we're rejecting from.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Or, because SMTs, it's only one confluence.
Yeah.
So it's only one thing supporting our overall idea.
Yeah.
Like, let's see. We may have. Oh shit. Where the fuck are we? There. So the sweep happened here.
I feel like I'm a day trader by myself.
feel like I'm there.
I feel like I'm getting the.
Nah, I definitely just need to put
Look,
some more
this
time.
could be
you know,
one
like I
reason
have.
we rejected. Because look, we have a fair value gap.
Literally
I feel
right
like
there.
I'm really getting
Big
used
ass
to the
fair
habits
value
of-
gap.
Exactly. Fair value gap here.
It's been respected so many times too.
Exactly. We've been respecting it. So we would put everything together. So we got our liquidity sweep,
Yeah.
we got a SMT, and we're getting rejection out of our fair value gap.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you see, you start adding things together
Yeah.
to get your overall idea of what we want to do.
See that? I see that.
So then again, like liquidity, there's gonna be two types of SMTs.
Mhm.
Internal SMT
Yeah.
and external SMT.
Got it.
So you could really just think of it the same way as liquidity. Higher time frame is usually gonna be external SMTs. Pretty much saying like overall, it gives you an overall direction,
Yeah.
and then internal SMTs are gonna be what you use for your stop loss.
Can we see one now going down?
With internal SMPs?
SMTs. Yeah.
SMTs, shit.
Down.
Yeah, let's see an example going down. Because, I mean, you could kind of tell easy, like,
That was the example going down.
That was the fucking example.
So you want to see one going up?
Or, yeah, check.
Found. So, this, you got this low here.
Yeah.
Didn't take it.
Yeah.
And the exact same low here.
See? Okay, so what we expected from the both that.
Then we mark it out.
From there to there. So then now you see. What do you see, us? Like, what does that tell you? What does that explain to you?
We going up.
That it didn't. What's it called? That no liquidity sweep happened.
Swept it on.
Yeah, so we
It swept it on that one, yeah.
So we did get a liquidity.
Like little as
sweep
hell,
on
yeah.
that one.
Yeah.
But then what you can see from it is look at that.
It still decided to go up. Like,
Exactly, because this is saying this is a protected low now.
okay, so yeah,
So a
that's true.
place we don't want to come back to.
So then would you have put your stop loss maybe down there if you
Yeah. So
and that's
say
and the liquidity, that's what you're talking about. It's the protection. Well, it's the
a
orders
protected, yeah.
of the orders or something.
So think of it like
makes
this.
sense.
These orders already got taken because it got taken on the
Got it.
other one.
Now it's starting to make a little sense off that one.
Then you can see what
Damn,
we
yeah.
do. We ran to the next point in liquidity. Look, we'll do another one. We got, let's see. We got this low right here, right?
It didn't touch it. Ish.
Then we got this low here.
Damn, it did. It did sweep it right there a little bit over there.
It gets swept here.
Yeah.
And keep in mind, for your sweep, it doesn't matter how much it passes it by.
It just passes and boom,
Exactly.
you know.
It could literally pass it by like this much.
Mhm.
Like barely anything, still a liquidity sweep. And then this would be our new
So it's always good looking at both of these actually,
Yeah.
not just one of them for real.
That's the point. You have
What
to
if both
compare.
of them, what's it called, look the same? That'll tell you like exactly what you need to know, or what?
I mean, it's just showing we're correlated, but if you don't see any like external ones which show you the overall direction,
Yeah.
that's when you look at everything else too. Like fair value gaps, are we rejecting? Are we
Mhm.
overall bullish?
Mm-hmm.
Things like that. So yeah, this would be our SMT to both points.
Boom.
Nice,
And,
nice.
and you would have took that as, oh yeah, boom,
Going down.
going down. You would have took that one over there more than this one.
I only trade this one.
So what would you have gotten from there? Would you have wanted to sell or buy?
Buy if everything else added up.
Added up.
Okay,
But
so you still had to look inside of that picture. Basically,
Yeah, you
so.
still gotta look at everything else. It's not like you could see one thing and enter off of that.
Right.
You can't just
So
see
I
it
see the-
inverse.
fair value gap and it
But you have
respected
to
it
look
and
at
boom
it-
went
you have
down.
to
Like
look
you
at
got to
it.
see that too, right? Like
Exactly, yeah.
just because that one says it's going up and that one says it's going down, you can still picture out what the fuck. Like you still know what's going on because of that too. So
Exactly.
for sure.
So all SMTs are showing you is
You got it?
Yes.
it gives you where you could put your stop loss. That's
That
what
makes
we're gonna
sense.
use
liquidity.
it for.
Well, liquidity, right? Basically,
Yeah.
your
So
liquidity.
it gives us our protected highs or protected lows.
Makes sense.
You always gotta be protected.
Right here, where would our protected low be?
Which one? On that one?
On here, yeah.
That one? What?
It would be this
yeah,
one right
that
here.
same one. Yeah, just straight. Go
So
straight.
if we were, our stop would go below this candle. Then on this one, our stop would go below this one.
You mean your stop?
Okay.
Your stop
All
loss. 'Cause
right.
this is
Alright. Because that's the lower point.
this would be, yeah,
The lowest point.
exactly.
Of the protected type of protection.
Now, here we'll look for a more
What?
internal one. So internal, it's gonna be dead ass just between a few candles.
Let me see.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, right here. You see, would this be high resistance or low resistance liquidity?
Low.
Yeah, low, because it's just a little move. It's nothing like
yeah.
a major wick that came swept
major.
everything out.
Yeah, exactly.
So if it's not sweeping it, then it's a low resistance.
Not technic. You gotta look like what's it called? Ah shit, this isn't even one. We made equal highs. I mean, we'll go over that then. It has to take the whole. It has to take it. It can't just make it equal high. Like you see how here we got up to the exact same point.
Yeah, what does that tell you?
It's gonna drop back down.
Nothing really.
Nothing really. Okay.
Let's here. No shit. But yeah, it has to actually take the point. It's from the internal.
How you feeling?
Ahora design. This man like that shit online.
Alright, right here. So
Blocking.
here,
He's not.
See, we have this candle right here. We'll mark that out.
Yeah.
Then we'll go to ES and mark out that exact same high. You see, we took it on ES, not NQ.
9Q, yeah.
Sure, that's the same one.
Yes. You see?
No, because right next to it is technically bearish candle.
See, they don't move the exact same.
Okay, my bad.
But
I didn't know that.
So our SMT would be from this high,
literally right there, yeah.
over the candle.
What the fuck?
And this one like that.
That's a low or what?
And
What
that's
is
technically where it tapped in down there.
Yeah, that would be an internal SMT. Because you see, it's on the 1 minute time frame and it's close.
Okay.
But what we would pair this up with is rejection. So technically on ES, we tapped into this fair value gap and got rejection out of it.
Yeah.
Right.
Also forming the SMT on it. So if we got, I'm not even gonna try to switch time frame. So if we got some type of inversion after, that would be a decent entry. And where would stop loss go on it?
Oh, where would stop loss go on it?
Above.
Yeah, just above
just
that
above,
point.
Yeah.
And then we'll target the next point of liquidity we have, which would be something like this or this.
That one there, yeah.
Well, we would have got break even on that shit.
You don't get it?
No, I'm getting it a little bit. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Alright, mark out the SMT in the box.
Go ahead, man.
Alright. So the SMT would be right here.
That's your liquidity.
Yeah, is my liquidity right? This one?
Yeah, and just click candle to candle.
Boom. Boom.
Yeah.
That one's it right there.
Why would it be that one?
Because this one right here didn't reach back up there. And it's making a what's it called? A dip, basically.
Did we on the other one?
On the other one over here, we also did the same, or actually we did too much. No?
No,
It's not the same thing. It's
Yeah.
So you still make a point to point? Point to point.
Damn, this one's way there. I forgot. So right here, my bad.
No. The top one, the top.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that.
Yes.
No, because it's the same thing, it's just different.
Exactly.
Just draw a straight line from like here to here now. Just so you could tell a little bit. Oh wait, I drew that shit wrong.
So in this one it didn't sweep it, but in that one it did.
Exactly. That's exactly what an SMT is.
That's exactly what it is then. So it does it on this side.
It does it on one, but doesn't on the other.
On the other. Okay.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter. Like if NQ ended up making a new high here, but ES was lower, it would still be a SMT.
SMT. What if they both match then again?
If they both match, they correlated no SMT there.
What's the SMT? All right, my bad. What's the SMT supposed to tell you again, though?
So it's showing you a point where the market shouldn't go back to.
Where it shouldn't go back to.
Idea it won't go back to because one already took that point out.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, mark out our SMT. You better be like SMT. Oh man.
Hey.
Don't do that.
No.
Don't do that, son.
There's nothing with
We
that.
did the exact same thing there.
That's what I'm saying. So it's not that.
That's not an SMT.
No,
You're right.
It's
That's
when you don't do the same thing.
So is it? Would it be down here? Maybe.
No.
You're close. You're close.
To the top.
It's gonna be one saying we want to go higher. If it's a bullish SMT, where would it be? At the highs or lows?
At the highest.
Lows. Because bullish is saying we want to go higher, right?
Yeah. So would it be somewhere down here?
Look.
Oh fuck. Okay. All right. So it's from right here and then somewhere down here. Ah. Dumbass. I literally had it.
Nope.
Motherfuckers failing. But I skipped this whole middle.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Like,
Like,
it's good. You could skip
How?
candles.
What you mean you could skip?
No, what I'm saying.
Oh, because this didn't have a wick, or
no,
what?
That doesn't matter.
So what the fuck?
So I kind of
SMT,
was right.
It could be between 30 candles if it wanted to. It could deadass be like something like. Let's find a new low.
So was that
Holy shit!
somewhat
I didn't
right?
even
It could
see that
deadass be
bitch.
like that.
Was that somewhat
You
right?
cook.
No.
You cook.
I mean, you were right at first, but look. You see, we have this. Got this low, right?
Well,
Right here. This low.
Yeah. What about it?
Look on ES. Have the same low, right? Let's see what candle. We did have a SMT on these.
Yes, that's what I meant. Yeah,
That's
you
what
cooked
I said.
there.
Yeah,
You
that's
cooked
what I
there.
said, yeah.
But look, we ended up sweeping it out already. So we ended up moving lower than our SMT, so now it's not valid.
Damn. All right. Yeah. Yeah.
So
I get it.
Something that.
So our actual SMT would be. Let's find it.
Bro, I didn't even know.
No, I didn't even look.
Oh,
I mean, that was one though.
That way. Yeah.
It was,
Mhm.
but then it's invalid once that gets taken.
Basically.
Because what do SMTs
then the
tell
new
us?
one basically is up there, no? That's what you're talking about.
Kinda, yeah.
What does the SMTs tell us? You said.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
What do they-
I
what
don't
do
know,
they
gang.
give us?
A safer stop?
Yeah, so protected lows, protected highs. So it should be a protected area that we don't want to touch again.
Yeah.
But what did we do?
Somehow touched it.
We ended up going past it
again.
So now it's not valid anymore.
Okay.
That makes sense because
It's like the same
went
thing
a little
we
bit
just
more
said
back
with
up.
liquidity, right? Once liquidity gets taken, it's no longer
valid.
exactly.
And then this
It
becomes
would be the new
liquidity.
point.
Yeah.
Like, let's see.
See, I made the correct. I was wrong at first, and then I fucking bang. That's some crazy shit.
Like again, right here, we have our SMT with this one.
And what did that show?
It was gonna show this should be a protected high.
Protected high.
But what did we do?
We went back lower.
We went up.
Oh, we went
ended
up.
Taking it
So
out.
in the sweep, you swapped it.
So would it still be a SMT?
No, kinda, yeah, because you're above the sweep. No, well, compared.
Oh no, because it made a new
Exactly, 'cause look,
it made a new
now
sweep.
both of them are doing the same thing.
Yeah,
They both ended up sweeping.
They both, yeah.
You see what I mean? Like
It's the confirmation. Yeah, that's what you meant. That it's the trend that what's the other one's gonna basically do the same. Almost.
So I mean, again, here we have our SMT.
For real, yeah, I see that. Yeah, that
You
one goes
gotta be
up.
quick. Is that when you catch that now? Kind of
Yeah,
trade?
I
yeah.
mean, it's easier when you're seeing
When
it
you start
happen
doing
live.
it.
Like
True.
right here, you see? We
Yeah,
had our SMT.
yeah.
Is it valid still?
No, because it dropped
Exactly,
below that.
because both points ended up taking it out.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see. Oh, this is a good one.
True, true.
This one's harder. Like, okay, so we got this low, right?
Yeah.
And then the exact same low we're gonna
Right
mark
there.
out.
Yeah.
So SMT, we would have a SMT, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So it would be from our point to the low.
Low.
Yeah.
That's what it shows.
It would be between these two candles before all these came in.
Mhm.
But since we came down and made
Yeah.
a new low now,
Mhm.
it would be on that one. Because look at
And then you're
ES.
still looking at this one as your Are you still looking at that one too, or no? Not really.
Not really, no. Because look, none of them took it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
So our SMT would be from here. You see, we're marking the same on both points
Mhm.
to the same candle. Because look, this one swept it.
For yeah.
This one did not.
This one did not. Yeah. Yeah.
What
So it's
the
still
hell?
it's valid still.
Yeah.
That one's pretty valid. Yeah.
So look, we would match it up with the inverse fair value gap.
For real. Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
we got right
Boom.
here.
Yep. It broke.
Yeah.
So
So we
that should tell you
inversed
that it.
So look, we got two things confirming. We probably got some rejection too. So stop goes below it.
Yeah.
And then what do we target?
You're trying to target the high.
The liquidity.
Yeah, the liquidity.
Yeah.
So this would be liquidity.
Liquidity.
We could have targeted.
Boom. Yeah.
Or we could scale out. All this is gonna be low resistance.
Wait, low resistance. Oh, okay,
Because
yeah.
look,
Because it didn't do to non-major. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. Then this would be our higher resistance.
Higher resistance, true.
And
True.
look at that.
We peaked.
We ended up going up to it.
Which tells you it shouldn't go back up. Anymore for now.
SMT.
Because we got
our
SMT,
SMT rejection.
Damn, bro. Yeah. Yeah, that's helping.
You see, it's really just putting everything together. Alright. Show me the SMT we have.
Oh, fuck. Good.
It's not gonna be one between like two candles right here. Wait, actually, technically there is one.
I see it, bro. You got this one going up, and then that one.
Oh, right here. Yeah. This one right here. Boom. Wait, fuck.
I can't, man.
Boom, going like. Can we say right that?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Boom. And then this one started off right here. This was the liquidity. And it swept right here. So we got an SMT
look
right
what
there.
Just happened though. We swept it out.
We swept it out on NAS.
On that, that's why I seen it. Is that why I was looking? I was looking at that one to that one.
Exactly. So this wouldn't be valid anymore.
Damn.
Because we ended up sweeping it. But
yeah.
Look.
Oh shit, that's a big ass one. The one you were looking at. That one's that one.
Well,
yeah,
that's crazy.
Overall,
True.
We would have that.
True. Yeah.
That.
That's another SMT.
And then look. This out here.
Uh-huh.
Or yeah, this one here.
Didn't get touched again.
We never took it.
Damn. And that's the new. We just edged it, yeah.
And then look right here.
That one should have.
Damn. It did take it. So that's another SMT.
Two SMTs. We have an external SMT.
What's that mean?
Giving us like an overall direction. And then we have our internal SMT.
Mm-hmm.
Which would be where our stop loss would go. But yeah. Alright, mark the SMT we have now. It's gonna be on the lows.
Okay.
It
is
this one and that one going down.
Yeah, for sure. That's what I seen right here. So this one to this.
Yeah.
This is the liquidity. This is the fuck. What do we call this again?
Low resistance.
Oh, high resistance?
No, it
No,
would be low
fuck.
resistance.
Low resistance,
'cause
my
it's
bad.
all
My
internal.
brother was right. And then right here, this was the liquidity, and
then
it did get
swept it.
swept
Oh, that's
right
what you see as
there.
well.
And then we have it another SMT for the
Exactly.
bullish side?
Bullish.
Yeah.
Bullish, because this is showing we want to go up.
Yeah, yeah.
Think of it like whichever way we're facing.
Damn,
where it
gang,
wants
what the
to go.
fuck?
All right, halftime done. Now a little bit of practice.
Oh,
The final stretch.
All right.
no.
So all you doing? Mark out strong points on liquidity. We'll do for a bullish move. Yeah.
Right here, obviously. Or wait, did this take it?
It did, but we're looking for a high.
A high low?
No, we're looking for a strong draw. So what time frame would it be?
5? What do you because it went up, right?
9.
Whoo! Come on, 9. And he hadn't cashed out.
He was at 2.
Alright, 5 minutes, right? You said 5 minutes? Is it
So,
strong?
It's choking.
Is it a strong time, or is it
So from 5 minute to 4 hour daily.
okay? I'll do 4 hour, right? Or which one you want me to do?
Yeah, 4 hours.
Okay.
Whatever.
What the fuck? How do I back out?
Go to that and scroll down.
I like that.
Go to delete.
Go to where? I can't even see
Right
it.
there. Now remove drawings. You do. Use this one. That one. Yeah, to mark them.
Boom. All right.
So where are strong draws here?
I think right here. This is a pretty strong draw
that
right
would be
here.
strong. Why is it that strong?
Because it took a real good dip all the way to right here, I guess is the newest point of liquidity.
Yeah, but also why? What did we tap into and get rejection from?
Right here, this oh, where did we get rejection from?
Yeah.
Right there. It was right there, that F.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah, I'm
that's
pointing right
part of it because we swept out liquidity, right?
Yeah, that
when
was
you
part of it.
sweep out liquidity, you usually go the other way. But look, we swept it, so
Swept
that's
it.
not a point anymore.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right.
But we also rejected from our fair value gap. Remember what I said?
that's fair.
Liquidity inside of fair value gaps is usually strong.
Yeah.
It's like more
Yeah.
fuel you're talking
Yeah, it gives us more fuel to go the way we want it to go, which is down. And okay, this is another strong point, I'd say, right here. And this would be
That would, yeah.
wait, this or this? This, right?
I mean, both of them.
Yeah, okay, bad. I'll just click that one just because it's the highest one I've seen.
What about all this down here?
So all this down here. Okay. Fuck. Alright, bet. This right here, this would be probably the highest from all this I'm seeing. Alright. And do I gotta do one more?
Yeah.
I guess this was one of
It already got swept.
It already got swept?
So it's not one.
I guess
There
this is the new high liquidity we could take.
That'd be good, yeah.
Yeah.
But the reason I said down here
Yeah, why?
is because look at all these highs
Yeah.
bunched up. We got bang, bang, and bang.
What does that tell us?
That there's a whole bunch of orders resting.
Yeah.
So the odds are if we hit this one or if we hit this one, we're probably gonna hit that and that as well.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All
But
right.
now, look, let's drop time frames.
Yeah.
What else is strong here?
What else is strong here? What's it called? I'd say this is pretty
Bullish.
strong too. This bullish.
That's bearish.
Why'd you say bullish?
You said bearish.
Oh, we said bearish ones only. All right.
Bullish ones we're looking for.
We said bullish ones we looking for. What's it called? This one was pretty high right here.
Realistically, all these here are gonna be strong.
With all these.
All the
That
ones
has
that are
every
bullish.
single wick in
So
here.
I should have been boom, boom, boom,
It's
boom.
gonna be strong.
Okay, yeah.
So the biggest thing we're looking at right now is scaling time frames. So you want to go from 4 hour to 1 hour to 15
Okay.
because even if we do, like, because look, maybe we won't come all the way up here to the 1 hour high,
Mm-hmm.
but we may just have a move we want to come to,
For that,
like
for that
these
one.
internals.
Damn. All right.
Look, does this look like the strongest draw, or does this look stronger?
That one. That one looks stronger for
Exactly,
sure.
because it's literally the top of the
One of the
session,
highest, yeah.
and
Yeah.
it's a good point.
Got it. All right.
But I mean, this isn't a bad point either.
Alright.
So that's pretty much it for strong draws we have. Alright, Manny. Bearish ones.
See, that's the hard part for that. I was able to do the ones with the higher ones.
Yeah.
Bro,
I read it the
why the fuck would you
same
do
way
it?
though.
Why,
Like,
why would you do this? So I see your highest one is right
the other
here.
one. The other one.
This one?
Look, we're looking for high resistance or strong points, so we would
Click
want to
that.
be on higher time frame, right?
Click the other one. The one on the right.
15? 4?
All those are good. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15.
No.
Fuck, guys.
Scroll down.
Come to this. Go to the side. And scroll down.
No.
Okay.
Oh,
So what am I saying? Bang and bang?
Yeah. That one already got taken though, right?
By this one? Well,
This
that
one
one
took
got
that
so,
one.
yeah.
So that's no
So
longer a
then we
point.
can have these ones.
Yeah.
Bang.
I mean, realistically,
Or
all
any
these
All
are
those,
going
yeah.
to be because that's a.
Those were strong ones.
We're on the 4 hour.
those are low res. Alright,
Yeah, that's
alright,
true.
alright. Boom, and then that
What
one. So
about that one? Wasn't
No,
because it wasn't. Yeah.
Because we swept it.
that one was right there. Yeah, that one.
Okay. So that one. So
Okay.
what is this called again? So this is your.
That's just liquidity.
Okay.
That's low resistance, alright. You said.
That's lower. Now scale down to 1 hour.
Okay. Okay. So then now we're looking for.
You're looking for the same things. Now see if there's any ones you missed.
What? That one? That's the same shit?
Yeah.
It's
So
the same
no,
one.
there's
No,
nothing
there's
else. So
nothing.
that's how you know they're gonna be stronger draws because they're aligning with time frames.
Okay.
alright.
That's true. Instead of it's all choppy and stuff,
Exactly.
right? Yeah, that makes sense.
So now let's scale down again.
So what?
15. Is there any we missed?
No.
Okay. Now go to the 1 minute and mark out some low resistance we have.
Is that good right there? Or do I gotta scroll there?
Now you probably gotta scroll out.
I gotta scroll up like that.
I got you. Like, look overall, what do we have?
Where's the lines that I put? These?
That, and they're way lower because
Oh yeah,
You
that
were
was
just
it was
on
lower.
high
But
time.
this one it did show like it was messing around. So what am I showing?
low resistance liquidity.
Like right here? Or no, right here?
We already got that marked out. But like
Over
little
here,
swing
over
lows.
here.
Like you see here? Like
Here to
all
here.
these lows are bunched up and then there's a fair value gap right below.
From here, right? Bang bang.
Like right here.
Bro, there's no
And why
way.
you mark that one out, man?
Bro, what the fuck is that?
That's the exact opposite
Yeah.
of what I just told you.
Alright. Where the fuck is it, bro?
Look, low resistance. Cause look, all these candles are bunched up, accumulating.
like that, yeah, keep
so
going
there's
in.
a whole bunch of orders waiting. Right? And then a fair value gap is another.
From here.
No.
Bro, that's the fair value
That
gap
has
he's
just
telling
this
you
I know,
about.
I know.
The black candle, bro. The one on top of it, yeah, that one. That's one. And that's another right
And now
there.
why would that be a good draw?
Because none of it went past it.
None of it is really like what's it called? Too far from that.
It
so
didn't pass.
it's-
It hasn't passed a new point.
Because look. So number one, we have all these. Pretend each candle is 100 orders.
Okay.
So we have all these orders, and none of them have got swept out, really, right?
Yeah.
And then we have a fair value gap, which is also what?
Liquidity.
Liquidity, my bad,
Where do you
wrong.
get liquidity sweep?
Like it didn't sweep it.
Is
My
it
bad.
just liquidity? So fair value gaps are liquidity.
Yeah.
So look, we have all these orders and then a fair value gap below.
Yeah.
So it seems like a fuck ton of orders
Yeah.
are right here.
Mm-hmm.
So that would be like a good place to either take partial profit or just target directly.
Target directly.
Did
All
it
right,
technically respect it or not? It didn't.
We didn't tap in.
No.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. It didn't tap in, but it's still rejected.
No.
No.
Because we still wanted it to go up.
If we didn't tap in, you can't reject.
Oh, because we wanted this going down like that.
So like another internal liquidity would be like literally just our little swing lows, our little retrace moves.
Okay.
Think of low resistance like
Boom,
that.
that
Look,
one.
we go
Yeah.
up, down,
Boom.
bang.
Liquidity.
Here we go up, down,
Boom.
right there.
Gotcha.
Now mark out the other ones right here.
So we go up, down, bang. So
Now
that's
here
same shit. So up, down.
Now
We're
here
gonna
you
do
did
this
that
one.
Do the
We
next
got
one.
That, yeah.
Go next.
Man, shut up, man.
We already marked that one out.
Okay.
Holy shit! What the fuck is he doing?
Backspace. Okay, so the next one. So you went.
There's more right there.
Bro, there's right there.
What the fuck, huh? This one.
Yes.
Good shit, my boy.
And then you're gonna make me keep going. So this one next.
Do one more. Why would it be
Why?
that?
Wait.
There we go.
It wasn't straight, but yeah.
Yeah. We're done with this. They gotta practice hella. They both don't know what the fuck this is. So yeah, they gotta practice it. But that's it for day 3.